and it could come across the south and the southeast with the freezing rain. On that snowstorm, on the precipitation meeting the freezing temperatures, still showing it will do that crisscross towards the northeast. So you still got a chance for the feet of snow and the blizzards on multiple models now for the northeast. And showing that next dip that comes in could bring another big whopper of a snowstorm. So we need to stay updated on this, because this is, a lot of people in the south is excited about this, and it's totally understandable. But look at this. It could potentially be a bad freezing rain scenario coming over and over for the south. We need to pay attention to this, because not just snow, you could get a lot of ice.